let's get you more updates on the unlock phase 2 with regards to the religious places which are also opening in several of the cities. Let's talk about the national capital at this point. The religious places have also opened up in the national capital. The health ministry, remember, has issued a series of protocol to be followed, not just by the authorities but also for the visitors who are coming to the temple. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live from the national capital. He's joining us live from the Hanuman Mandir in the Connaught Place area of Delhi. Ayushman, good morning. We are of course looking at religious places opening after almost 2 months. How is the situation on ground? What is the scene like this morning? How many people have turned up to the religious place? And what are the guidelines being put in place?
Apurva, currently we are in Hanuman temple of the Connaught Place, very famous temple. You can see here the current situation is the protocols have been put in place. There you see a tunnel which is the sanitization tunnel. You see the sodium hypochlorite solution which is continuously being sprayed after the people who are coming to visit. Here you can see those boxes have been made for people to stand when they are in line. Currently the people are coming, but definitely the number is not as huge as we used to see in normal days. Apurva, currently if you see here, as per the health ministry instruction, the idols are not to be touched and also the bells are not to be rang. So currently those bells have also been, there has been cloth put up there so that people don't touch. And you see sanitizer is a common norm here. I'm being joined by the head priest of this temple to know what is the situation and what all protocols they have put in place. Sir, आपके हाथ में ये थर्मोमीटर आपने रखा है. यहाँ पर क्या प्रोटोकॉल आप लोगों ने रखा है लोगों के लिए जो विजिट करना चाहते हैं?
ये तो हमने जो सुविधा करी है भक्तों के लिए, और पहले तो सबसे बड़ी खुशी है कि आज मंदिर खुले हैं तो भक्तों को बड़ी उत्साह हुई है, श्रद्धालु बड़े खूब आने लगे हैं थोड़े से. अब दूसरा नंबर ये है कि हमने ये सुविधा रखी, जो अंदर आएगा वो इससे फीवर चेक करा के आएगा. उसके बाद मास्क जरूरी लगाएगा, दूरी जरूर बनानी है जो जैसे ये लगाए गए. और हमने टनल लगाया है सैनिटरीज वाला, जिससे
प्रसाद देंगे या प्रसाद कैसे दे रहे हैं?
प्रसाद हम नहीं दे रहे, नहीं दे रहे. ना हमने घंटे रखे, ना पाठ करने की अनुमति है, ना जल चढ़ाने की अनुमति है. जो आएगा दूरी से आओ, दूरी से आइए और अपना प्रसाद अगर दिखाना है तो भगवान को खुद दिखाओ और अपना ले जाइए. ना जब तिलक लगाएंगे तो सैनिटाइज हाथ करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद तिलक में लगाएंगे, भगत खुद लगाएंगे.
So you see, Apurva, there you have it. Who would have thought that even the offering of prasad will be a provision which will be somewhere stopped in the temples for the time being. That is what is happening here. People have been told not to touch the idol, not to ring the bells, and also prasad won't be offered to them in the temple right now. The thermal checking is being done. Only people who are not having the temperature beyond 98 degree, they are not being allowed. And also here, the social distancing norm, the priest, as the priest said, is one of the compulsion, and also face masks remains one of the priority when somebody enters here.